Hi, I'm Susan McFarland, artist and host of Watercolor Journeys workshop. In this workshop, we'll use an experimental watercolor process for texture and layering effects. Often people's first question about watercolor journeys is, what is it? And how is it different from traditional watercolor? Watercolor has a reputation for being difficult and challenging. You can't change it. You have to plan in advance what it is you want to do and where you want to go. In Watercolor Journeys, we'll explore a different approach that is more free, more open, and more fun. Let me show you some of the things and materials that I use to hopefully get you excited about taking a watercolor journey of your own. Here are some of the things I've used to begin a project. You can raid your recycling bin or just look around for things you think will make an interesting texture. Using a special process will add some color to create a texture panel called a start. Once you have a start, you decide where you want to take the piece and what fits best. In the Watercolor Journeys workshop, we'll cover how to make starts and work with them to create fun and beautiful pieces. This approach is about playing and having fun with color, water, and texture while letting the process guide you. It's more of a journey than a destination. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll join me for a watercolor journey.